Alright, class, and that is why you should always cheat on your girl. Does anyone have any questions?
Nah.
Alright, so I'm gonna need everyone to go ahead and take out their... Attention all students and teachers, we are currently under a code red. There is a dangerous killer on campus.
Nah.
I repeat, a dangerous killer. Please lock your doors and do not make any noise.
Nah, we finna die.
Alright, class, everyone relax and stay quiet. We'll be fine.
Bro, what you doing? Turn that off.
Oh, my fault, my girl calling me.
Nah, Jit making too much noise.
Shut up, there's a killer on campus. My bad. Bro, why you brought a dog with you? I don't know, bro, I forgot to leave him at home.
Nah, Jit gonna get us killed at school. That's crazy.